In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a PNC Bank business checking account. Navigating the steps to open a business checking account can be a critical task for entrepreneurs and businesses. Having the right checking account is crucial for managing transactions, overseeing finances, and ensuring smooth business operations. So let's dive into how you can open a business checking account with PNC Bank. First things first, we'll start by visiting PNC's official website. Once there, head directly to their business checking section. It's where you'll find a variety of options tailored to different business needs. It's essential to explore your options here because a good fit ensures better financial management and lower fees. So take a moment to thoroughly review these options and choose the one that aligns best with your business requirements. To proceed, you'll need to have certain documents handy. These include your business's tax identification number, also known as the TIN or EIN. Additionally, a valid photo ID for the business owner, and the necessary business registration or formation documents to verify your entity. Having these documents prepared in advance will smooth out the application process and prevent any unnecessary delays. Now, on the PNC website, you should find the Apply Online button prominently displayed. Alternatively, if you prefer a more personal touch or have questions, you can always visit a local PNC branch. Regardless of the method you choose, the application process will require you to fill out an essential form. Here, you'll need to enter your business information, details of the owners, contact information, and specify the initial deposit amount, if applicable. Accuracy is key, so double check your inputs before proceeding. Once all the information is filled in, it'll be time to review the terms and disclosures. It's crucial to understand these details as they'll guide how the account will function. Upon reviewing these terms, go ahead and submit your application. After submitting, PNC Bank will process your application, and upon approval, you'll need to fund your new account. Typically, this involves depositing an initial amount, often around $100. This deposit activates your account and enables you to start utilizing banking services. Finally, with the account active, you'll want to enroll in online banking, set up any necessary debit cards, and get your mobile app functioning. With these in place, you'll be able to manage your account conveniently and efficiently right from your fingertips. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having a PNC Bank business checking account to help manage your business's financial needs. Remember, a well-chosen account can significantly ease your financial operations and contribute positively to your business's success.